Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for always tuning back to Kidneys, a channel of delicacy or traditional recipes. Otherwise, if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing. Please support this channel. You can also browse for the membership pack, or you can join the family as well. So otherwise, I'm back with this video again on this recipe, and today, guys, we're going to do catfish. Have you ever seen this kind of fish? I've done several fish in my channel. And now today I'm back with this, and guys, you can see how big it is. So I'm going to show you the process of doing it. I'll make it as well, and you'll just comment down there and tell me how you do it in your country. But now this is the way we do it here in Kenya, and I'm a lady from the lake, and we are used to this kind of fish. So the first from this fish, I'm going to make two nice delicious recipes. So please just watch this video until the end. Keep it in the middle, and then we're going to remove the intestine, which we don't need to feed on. So keep tuned and see. So guys, you have to remove this out first. So you can see these are the food. This is where all the processing of the food digestion takes place. And so this is their food. This is it, how it is. After removing this, you make sure you wash it thoroughly and carefully. So what we're going to do next is now to wash it. So I will place it inside here and have it washed well and quickly. So keep tuned, guys. That is the first step of washing. You've seen how I've washed it, and you can see how it is really clean. My catfish is now clean, and make sure you wash it with running water so that you can enjoy eating it. So these are the legs that we don't eat them here in Kenya. We do away with them, so I'm going to take them out. Yes, okay, some people prefer eating them, but for me, no, I don't like them. They look so irritating. Just comment down there and tell me what you think about this. So I'm going to start by cutting it into pieces. So depending on how you want to eat it, it has a lot of flesh. A very nice meal, very rich in iron. If you're anemic, please just check on this kind of fish. Now, this is our African cooking way. I don't know in other countries or continent how you do it. Please just comment there. And remember to give my video a thumbs up. These greenish things, it's because it was inside, so that's why we have to rewash it and wash it more and more of again. And then lastly, so guys, this is my fish now. Now just keep tuned to the video and see how I'm going to make this amazing meal. That fish into pieces. This is not the whole of it, as you see. You saw it was a big one. I've just subdivided. I want to make this one fresh stewed, and the other one I'm going to deep fry it. So just keep tuned and see. So the ingredients I'm going to use for this sauce, I have coriander here, I have ginger and garlic, I have spring onions. Guys, if you want to make a stew for this, please just use spring onions, not red onion, but it will depend on you. I have tomato paste, I have some salt to taste, I have some mixed spices, and I have turmeric. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this video. So next step is now to start cooking. Keep tuned. To heat, I'll add some vegetable oil. So anyway, this kind of fish is not so fatty. So if you want a good stew, at least have some nice vegetable oil. Then next, I will add this spring onions. Guys, I really like the aroma of spring onions. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'll let my spring onions cook. Meanwhile, I'll add my garlic to it so that they can cook together. So next, I did not introduce tomatoes because I was blending it. Here I have some 3 medium-sized tomatoes that I've just blended for this stew. So keep tuned. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is to add some little tomato paste. I'm going to add tomato paste just to give it a nice thick sauce. So one thing that you have to remember, before you add in other ingredients to spring onions, you don't only let the spring onions wither, but you have to let it brown. So we're just waiting, giving it a few minutes to let it brown. That is now okay. Now I can just add at least 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, because I know my fish is not so much. That is just enough, and then give it a good stir. If you're around in Kenya, within the capital city of Nairobi, please, I'll send you a pin. DM me, I'll send you a pin. You come, we enjoy this fish together. So you can just look at this sauce, guys. It's not yet done. Already it's giving some hops, some flavor. So next, I'll add my blended tomatoes to it. Then give it a good stir. Whoa, look at this sauce, guys. Whoa. So appetizing. So at this point now, we are going to cover it for about 5 minutes to let all the tomato paste, the oil and everything to cook. Just 5 minutes only. Keep tuned, guys. Yes, my paste has now cooked. Now the next step, we are going to add some spices to it. So just as I told you, I have mixed spices. I'll add there. I have turmeric. I'll add there. And some salt to taste. And give it a good mix once more. So as you can see, the paste, so appetizing. So next, cover it again for another 2 minutes to let the spices mix so well and cook so well with the others. So keep tuned, guys. So 2 minutes are over. Now you can just add some little water to the paste. Remember, we are trying to stew in this fish, and you have to give it enough sauce so that they can cook together well. So I'll add it once more, a little more water again. Then I'll cover it and let it boil. When it starts boiling, you add in now the fish. So keep tuned, guys. Back to my sauce. You can see, guys, it is ready. And now what I'm going to do is just to add in my fish. So remember, I'm stewing the catfish, and I've just added the stew up to that level so that it can cook so well, and everything, all the ingredients and everything can get right down inside the fish. So I'll cover it and give it time for about 30 to 45 minutes and it will be done. So guys, subscribe if you are not subscribed. Keep tuned and watch this video until the end. Back to my fish. You can see, it is doing so well. So at this point now, you can just add some coriander to it, and now we can serve it, guys. Let me just serve it and see how my fish will be. My fish is ready. And now I'm just going to serve it. Just look at the paste, so appetizing. Then the fish itself. Whoa, so soft that it's just cut. Look at my catfish now. If you can just look at the stew. Yes, it's looking so nice and it's so soft. Let me just have it. It's too hot there. I can't hold it with my hands and my free hands, and you can see. Whoa, so nice, so nice, guys. So please give my video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video, and please try the catfish. So guys, the video is still on. This is just a part of the stew. I'm just going to make some nice Kenyan brown ugali. We call it cake. And I'm going to serve with it. Keep tuned.